These juicy, flavorful pork burgers have a soft, more tender bite. The texture of a pork burger versus a beef one is better, in the sense that it is easier to chew. As for the taste, it is very well flavored, with a delicious pork taste. Choosing the best ingredients will always impact the quality of your meals. The ingredient list is attached. The best ground pork for burgers is a fat one. The pork fat melts during grilling and the result is a juicy burger with a tender bite. The spices are very important, not only salt and pepper but garlic and onion salt and also oregano. I'm separating this dry oregano leaves from the branches here. I'm adding the spices to the meat. Salt, pepper, onion salt, garlic salt, and crumbled oregano. That is so flavorful. Mix all the ingredients together until well blended. To have a consistent weight, I'm using a scale. I'm making each patty 185 grams or 6.5 ounces. A small container will help with the size and shape of the patty. I'm using a 5-inch diameter container, or 12.5 centimeters, if you prefer the metric system. I transfer the patties on pieces of parchment paper. They are so easy to make. Some of them will go in the freezer, where they can be safely stored for months. I'm going to prepare some right now, on the heated grill. On my grill I leave them for 10 minutes, until they develop the grill marks, then rotate to have the crosshatch pattern. I leave them 6 more minutes. I like to add a few onion slices on top, and continue grilling for 2 more minutes or until softened. They are ready to enjoy with some nice buns, lettuce, more veggies, mustard, mayo, or any way you prefer. Enjoy!